Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to be making these moth and moon earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is start at the bottom, and we're going to want to attach our moth to the stainless steel component using a 4mm jump ring. So I'm just going to take my jump ring right here, and I've got 2 pairs of pliers. I'm just going to find where the slit is in that jump ring, and I'm going to put a pair of pliers on either side of it. And then I'm just going to gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach the crescent moon and the moth. Then I'm going to put the pair of pliers back on the other side. And I'm just going to gently twist that back into place so that it lines up. I'm going to take the next jump ring. Same thing, put my pliers on either side of the slit where it opens. Gently twist it open. And attach a component. Attach this other component. Use my pliers and twist that back into place. Same thing, I'm going to put my pliers on either side of the jump ring, twist it open, and go ahead and attach the hoop. And then I'm going to attach the moon component. Then I'm going to take my pair of pliers, put it on the other side, and gently just twist those so they line up. Then I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm just going to gently twist that open, attach the hoop, and then twist that back together. And that's all you have to do to make these simple moth and moon earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.